A winter weather alert from Storm Team 6.
And we're keeping you up to date on the changing conditions in central Indiana. We've had widespread snow to the north, freezing rain in central Indiana, and then rain to the south. Weather Now cameras tell part of the story. This is down in Bloomington, where you've had rain and snow mixed on again, off again. Let me just show you the frosty nature of the lens. It's frozen over out at the Pagoda camera, the Motor Speedway, trying to look downtown. Up in Carmel, you can see a little snow mixing in there, perhaps some sleet as well. We'll take one more view looking west from the Chase Weather Now camera. And the changes will come from the west and quickly. The heavier precip is over the eastern portion of the state right now. Temperatures, these may change while we're talking, but we're up to 29 in Indy, 32 in Terre Haute and Bloomington. 29 is not enough. Obviously, still freezing rain falling. And you'll see on radar in a second how the eastern half of the state, now notice the temperature just jumped to 30, so that's updating. Over along east 70 through Newcastle onto Richmond, there's your heavier bands of rain, some sleet mixed in. And then notice in western Indiana how it becomes more periodic, not a solid area. Here's the drift to the east rather quickly. Now in western Indiana, what's going to happen, and this will move into the metro area in the next hour as well, a changeover to snow. A quick burst of snow would be possible, generally looking at an inch or so in the metro area and 1 to 2 north of Indy. Between 5 and 7, that's what happens. It sweeps to the east rather quickly, and this is what we're looking at across central Indiana, generally closer to the inch in Indy and 1 to 2 to the north. Lauren.
Yeah, Kevin, I'm also keeping a close eye on the roadways as we head into that evening commute. A lot of rain coming down and the road conditions are changing at this hour. I do want to give you a look at all the crashes I'm tracking right now on our Traffic Now map. We do have a crash right now blocking the right lane of northbound I-465 at 10th Street on the west side. Also on the west side, the left lane is blocked just a little bit farther south of there on northbound I-465 between Washington Street and Rockville Road. Another crash on Washington Street at I-465. We have a crash on West 16th Street at Georgetown Road, a little farther north. Crash on 86th and Purdue Road. Now looking in the downtown area, we do have a crash at 38th and North Meridian Street right now, as well as 12th and MLK Street. And we also have another crash at Commerce Avenue and Massachusetts Avenue. Out on the east side, we are tracking a crash at 46th Street near Shadeland Avenue. Now we hear from our assignment desk that this crash may have a lot of injuries involved with it, so we'll continue to keep you updated on that. Also to the northeast side, crash at 96th Street and Hague Road, so watch out there. Let's take a live look now from our NDOT traffic cameras. The first one, this is in the downtown area at the North Split. You can see a lot of traffic heading through that area, and there's a sheen on the roadways. The roads in downtown at this hour are very wet, so you want to take it slow and watch out for any puddles or water accumulating on the sides of the roads. Now let's take a different look. This is out on the west side. I want to show you this camera at I-465 on the west side because there's ice covering part of the camera there, and that could be on the roadway, so it may be slick. You want to watch out for that. And Kevin, when I came in this evening, I noticed that there's a lot of puddles on the roadways because there's so much snow accumulated from where the plows have plowed it off the roads all winter long. So you're going to want to watch out for some flooding and, hydroplaning as you're heading out today. This could be very slick. Well, the best news, Lauren, thank you very much, is that it will wind down quickly after 7. If we can go back to my map 1 second, I just want to clean up and show you again. Right along Interstate 70 is where we expect perhaps an inch of snow and sleet north as you get toward Lafayette to Muncie north 1 to 2 inches, and then south not as much because you'll have rain mixing with some snow. That's what we expect. Again, snow will be moving back into the metro area in the next hour, and we'll be back within an hour for RTV6 News at 5 for complete weather coverage. Thanks for watching.